Hello friends, today I will show you how to install WordPress platform on Xampp on your Windows PC. On my previous video, I have shown you the installation process of Xampp. Now today I will show you the step-by-step setup of a WordPress platform on your Windows PC through Xampp. So first you all have to do is go to the official website of WordPress and download the WordPress file. I will provide you the link on my description. So you have to go to this site and download the zip file from here. I have already downloaded it, so I am not downloading now. After downloading the zip file, you have to go to your Xampp installation folder and then go to the htdocs, which is the web root of Xampp. You can see here is the download zip file of WordPress. All you have to do is unzip the zip file and you will get a folder called WordPress where you will get all the configuration files and folder of WordPress. So you can rename this folder as per your needs, or you can take it as it is. So we have unzip it. Now we have to go to the browser and let's just check our Apache by just simply type localhost. You can see the Xampp homepage has opened. So it is the homepage of the web root and our folder name is WordPress on the web root. So we have to type the folder name here. You can see the installation setup page has come. Before go further, we have to create a database in MySQL. So in your Xampp control panel, click on admin. So it will open the phpMyAdmin page. From here you can create database. Just put a database name, like we are giving the same name as the project name here, WordPress, and create it. You can see our database name WordPress has created. Now you can add a user with this database privilege only. We are giving the same name here. You can use whatever you want. The username is WordPress. I'm giving a simple password here. You can use a complex one, or you can generate from here. I'm giving the password as password. Then scroll down and click on go. It will create a user with the privilege to only the created database, which is here is WordPress. So we have now a database and an associated user. So now we can go further and install the WordPress. So click on let's go. and you will get a new page. Here you have to put all the database details. You can see that it is asking database name, username. Username is the database username and password, and database host. Here it is localhost. So here already the database name is given. It is by default name. So our database name is also WordPress. So we are keeping it. Put the username and password, and you can change the table prefix if you want. Table prefix is nothing, it will just use a prefix before all the table. So after put all the details, just click on submit. After click on submit, you will get another window where you can run the installation. So you can see the setup has started and a welcome page has came. So in this page you have to put the site title and the admin user details. Admin means the backend user details. So let's just keep the site name as demo, the name as admin, and giving a simple password. And you have to put a email ID here. This is the admin email ID which will be used later on for the admin related communication to your WordPress website. After fill all the details, just click on install WordPress and it will install the WordPress for you. You can see the WordPress has successfully installed, and you will get the success window. So if we now just type the URL on the, and you will see the home page has come of your site. This is the default WordPress home page, and if you want to log into the admin panel, just go to login, or you can directly type this URL like the site URL and a front slash with wp admin and put the user details and click on login. You can see we have successfully logged into the WP admin panel. You have all the options here to customize your site. You can add themes and plugins and customize your website as per your need. So this is all in this tutorial today. Thank you.